What is not one of the conditions of the Shahada? A. Knowledge. B. Submission. C. Sincerity. D. Memorization.
Correct answer. D. Memorization.
Who is the only person did the Prophet ﷺ pray a full rakat behind? A. Abu Bakr. B. Umar ibn al-Khattab. C. Abdul Rahman ibn Auf. D. Bilal ibn Rabah.
Correct answer.
C. Abdul Rahman ibn Auf. R.A.
Which fruit is mentioned in the Quran? A. Grapes. B. Apples. C. Mangoes. D. Oranges.
Correct answer.
Grapes.
Where is it not allowed to pray Salah? Two answers. A. Inside the Kaaba. B. On top of the Kaaba. C. Graveyard. D. Market.
Correct answer.
On top of the Kaaba. Graveyard.
What is another name given to the Quran? A. Ar-Rahman. B. Al-Baqarah. C. Al-Furqan. D. Al-Sahih.
Correct answer.
Al-Furqan.
Which Khalifa took control of Al-Aqsa in Jerusalem? A. Abu Bakr. B. Umar ibn al-Khattab. C. Usman ibn Affan. D. Ali ibn Abi Talib.
Correct answer.
Umar ibn al-Khattab. What is the consultation between the Muslim leader and the followers called? A. Ijma. B. Shura. C. Dalil. D. Sharia.
Correct answer.
B. Shura. How many prophets did Prophet Muhammad ﷺ meet on the different heavens during Isra wal Miraj? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9.
Correct answer.
C8. In which battle did some Muslim archers disobey the order of Prophet Muhammad? Battle of Badr, Battle of Uhud, Battle of Khaybar, Battle of Khandaq.
Correct answer.
B. Battle of Uhud.
At what age does a person become an adult in Islam? A. 18 years old. B. 10 years old. C. Puberty. D. 15 years old.
Correct answer.
C. Puberty. Who is one of the 4 best women of Jannah? A. Asiya, wife of Firaun. B. Hajara, wife of Ibrahim alayhi salam. C. Aisha, wife of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. D. Ruqayya, wife of Osman.
Correct answer.
Asiya, wife of Firaun. Which Prophet ﷺ is mentioned the most in the Quran by name? A. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. B. Prophet Isa ﷺ. C. Prophet Musa ﷺ. D. Prophet Adam ﷺ.
Correct answer.
Prophet Musa alayhi salam.